Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Late last year, I went to the salon. I wanted them to wash my hair and straighten it. So what I didn't know is that heat will have an effect on my hair. So early this year, when I undid um, whatever was on my hair and I wanted to wash it, wow, guys, when I combed the hair, the hair that was left in the comb was a lot, guys, a lot. Yeah, so that was the situation. So I decided to start a journey of applying natural hair mask. I don't want to use the products out there because yeah, they have chemicals, and I don't want to damage my hair even more. So I want to be making natural hair mask and applying every week. So guys, I know I'm not the only one with this kind of problem, and that's why I decided to make it a journey that we can all work together. So yeah, let's learn and have fun while at it. So yeah, come on guys. So today, as you can see, we will be using three ingredients to make our hair mask. So our first ingredient is yogurt. And yogurt is a source of biotin and choline that helps to restore damaged hair and open up the follicles. This will help in hair growth. Then our second ingredient is honey. So, honey has emollient and humectant properties, which helps in moisturizing our hair. And the third ingredient will be olive oil. So, as we all know, olive oil is the richest oil. So, for our hair mask, it's going to help in strengthening and adding softness on the hair. So, yeah, these are our today's ingredients. So let's start making the mask. So here I have 3 teaspoons of yogurt. I decided to use natural yogurt since it has no any smell. Then I am going to add 2 teaspoons of honey. There we go, guys. Then in this mixture, I'm going to add uh, kind of 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So here we go, and there we are. So I'm going to mix all this together. Make sure that it is well mixed, well mixed. Mix it properly. Yeah, and our hair mask is ready, guys. This is ready. This is ready. So just in case you have too much hair or the thick hair, you can double on the yogurt so as to make it enough for your hair. So guys, I'm going to apply this hair mask. I start from the scalp all the way to the hair, and at the end of it, I'll let it rest. After, when I'm done, I'll cover it with our shower cap, and I'll allow it to rest for about 20 minutes so that my hair can absorb all that richness. Then I will wash it with warm water, rinse it properly, and I'll also use some shampoo. So you can use some shampoo of your choice. And yeah, your hair will be ready. That's it for today's video, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.